what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock Radeon RX 7900 XT Phantom Gaming White Edition. The Radeon RX 7900 XT uses a slightly overclocked GPU with a boost clock of 2450 MHz and a gain clock of 2075 MHz. It features 84 RDNA 3 comp units, 84 ray accelerators and 5376 stream processors. It comes with 20GB of GDDR6 RAM on a 320-bit memory bus running at a speed of 20 gigabits per second. For cooling, it comes with ASRock's Phantom Gaming 3X cooling system with 3 striped fans, a reinforced metal frame and a stylish metal backplate. The graphics card has a total board power of around about 315 watts, so we recommend a minimum power supply of around about 750 watts or higher. We'll be testing this card against other Radeon cards that we've tested in the past and also against the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. So let's put this into our test rig, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and then we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the ASRock Radeon RX 7900 XT Phantom Gaming in the White Edition. 20GB of GDDR6 RAM, supports ray tracing, has RDNA 3 architecture and AMD Hyper PRRX. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Okay. We have a quick installation guide, and then underneath this foam we have the graphics card. There's no other accessories, just the graphics card. Let's take a closer look. Alright, here we have the graphics card. The card uses a slightly overclocked GPU with a boost clock of 2450 MHz and a game clock of 2075 MHz. It comes with 20GB of GDDR6 RAM on a 320-bit memory bus, giving you effective speed of 20 gigabits per second. It's quite a large graphics card with a nice big heatsink here and a nice Radeon logo here. Phantom Gaming branding. On top here we have 2 of the 8-pin PCIe power connectors, and that's good for use with all or most power supplies. This card is cooled by the Phantom Gaming 3X cooling system, which features 3 of the striped fans and a very large heatsink with at least 5 heat pipes here. At the top here we have the reinforced metal frame, which helps with the rigidity of the card and also helps the card from bending. And of course we have the stylish metal backplate, which helps with cooling as well. Notice at the top here we have the LED on-off switch, which of course if you don't want LED you can actually switch that off, and you have that switch right there. Let's have a look at the video outputs. We have one HDMI 2.1 and 3 of the DisplayPort 2.1, which allows you to connect it up to the monitors. It's a very nice card. It takes up around about 2.5 to 3 PCI slot space, so make sure you have enough room inside your chassis to mount this card. What I like about this card is of course it comes in an all-white design, which allows you then to of course build a nice all-white PC build. So this card should perform pretty well, and it should sit comfortably between a higher end RX 7900 XTX and a GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. Alright, so let's put this into our test rig and see how it performs. Alright, so this is a quick unboxing of the ASRock Radeon RX 7900 XT Phantom Gaming OC White Edition. All in all, the ASRock Radeon RX 7900 XT Phantom Gaming White Edition performed as expected. It sits nicely between the higher end RX 7900 XTX and its close competitor the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. During our test, we used the usual test rig, which is comprised of an Intel Core i9-1400K and the ASUS ROG Strix Z790E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, along with 32GB of DDR5 7200 RAM. With all settings set on auto, we got really good scores in all of our benchmarks, including a high score of 18,219 for Basemark GPU, an AMD FSR2 score of 79.76 frames per second, and a Passmark 10 GPU score of 34,625. For 3D Mark TimeSpy and Firestrike, it produced a score of 25,745 and 45,676 respectively. For Speedway and Port Royal, it produced a decent score of 5,133 and 13,807 respectively. And finally, for Unigen Super Precision 1080p Extreme and Optimized 4K, we got decent scores of 14,221 and 18,520 respectively. As you can see from the results, the ASRock Radeon RX 1700 XT is a very good graphics card indeed, thanks to its overclocked GPU with a boost clock of 2450 MHz and a game clock of 2075 MHz. It's more than enough to satisfy the most enthusiastic gamers who's after a solid 4K gaming experience. Utilizing ASRock's proven Phantom Gaming X cooling system featuring 3 striped fans, a reinforced metal frame and a stylish backplate, it offers plenty of cooling for its overclocked GPU. Temperatures of the GPU and hotspot reached a high of 57 degrees and 92 degrees Celsius respectively. The ASRock Radeon RX 1700 XT Phantom Gaming OC White Edition is a very good graphics card that offers a solid 4K gaming performance. This is all thanks to its slightly overclocked GPU, which is cooled by ASRock's Phantom Gaming 3X cooling solution and provides quiet operation and decent cooling. And what's more, the stunning white aesthetic is perfect for anyone who wants to build an all-white gaming PC. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock Radeon RX 1700 XT Phantom Gaming OC White Edition. A fantastic graphics card for anyone who wants a solid 4K gaming experience, plus it's perfect for all those white PC builds. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.